A Samsung refrigerator may be beeping due to several reasons. The primary causes include a door that is not properly closed, temperature issues, or a temporary glitch. To address these problems, it is essential to start by inspecting the door to ensure it is closed correctly and that there are no obstructions. The door switch can be tested using a multimeter to confirm if it is functioning properly. If not, replacing it may be necessary. Additionally, the door seals should be examined for any signs of damage, and if they are faulty, new ones should be installed. If the issue persists, resetting the temperature may be the solution, as the beeping could be a result of the temperature being too high. To fix this, the thermometer should be reset to a lower temperature that is safe for the stored food, ideally between 33 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. If none of these steps resolve the issue, a power reset may be required. This involves disconnecting the refrigerator from the power source, waiting a few minutes, and then reattaching it. By following these steps, the beeping problem with the Samsung refrigerator should be resolved.